If your Instagram app is lagging on your Android device, then you've come to the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram lag on Android. Now there are a couple of reasons to this, and I'm going to show you a few fixes that you can try out. Now if recently this is happening to you, that could be because the caches of Instagram are piling up. Caches are the temporary files which get downloaded automatically. In order to clear these caches, what you need to do is just tap and hold the Instagram app and then open up app info or this eye icon. Once you open up this, you can just tap on clear data and you'll have an option of clear cache. Once you do that, you can also tap on clear data and clear all data. But before you do that, make sure that you remember the credentials of your Instagram, which is the email address and the password, because you're gonna get logged out if you clear the data. So just tap on clear data and then again log into your Instagram account. Once you complete this step, your problem should be fixed. But if it is not, the second thing that you can do is try to update your Instagram app. If it is not the case of caches, then there may be a bug or glitch that may be causing the issue. So open up Play Store and search for Instagram and tap on update if there are any new updates. Updating apps helps to fix any kinds of bugs that is causing the issue. Now even if you clear the data and update your app, you're still having this issue, then that means your phone storage is full, or it is starting to get full, or your Android phone is outdated. So the other main reason why this happens, if there are a lot of apps or a lot of files that are stored in your device and your space is running out. In this case, what I suggest you to do is remove any unwanted applications that you don't use. So just uninstall them. But however, if it is still not working for you, then you'll need to factory reset or reset your phone itself. By doing this, all of your data would be removed, so make sure you back up your data before you do that. That is the only option left if your issue is still not fixed, that is to reset your Android device. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos just like this, be sure to hit that notification bell so you are notified for more videos that we post. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video.